how to change your email on Ryanair account. So first things first, head over to ryanair.com and make sure that you're logged into your My Ryanair portal. You can see I'm logged into mine, and with that being said, I'm going to head over to my account section. Now into the account section, we're going to head over to our personal information right here, which basically includes the credentials of our first and last name, date of birth, email address, phone number, along with the password. Now you can see that you can edit, add, and make amendments to every single one of these credentials except for the email address. So that being said, it's understood that you cannot specifically change the email address because basically the email address is what you use initially to create your My Ryanair account or your portal. So you will need to have to create an entirely different account of Ryanair using a different email address. But let's just say you cannot do that. You're logged out of your email address, right? But you still want to access all the rewards and your flights and bookings and all of that stuff onto your My Ryanair account. So for that purpose, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Help. Now, once you're into the Help Center, you're going to head over to the My Ryanair account section. Now, up here, going all the way down to logging into an account, you can just say, I have logged myself out of my Ryanair account. How do I unlock it, right? So you have two different ways you can go about with it. One, you can unlock the account and they'll send you an email address with the password reset and stuff like that. And alternatively, you can also sign in using your Google account that is scheduled with that email address or your PayPal or your sign-in details. So short answer, you cannot change your email on Ryanair account because you use that specific email to create that account. But if you need to, if you have no access to that Gmail account, then you can basically use your Google account or sign in using your Facebook or PayPal sign-in details as well. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.